Thank you for contacting Kitchen Design Solutions about your new kitchen. During our initial consultation, we will come into your home and we will start gathering all the information we need to make your dream kitchen a reality. First, we're going to look at your space. We're going to look at what ideas you have for your space. And if you have any magazine clippings or anything you've pulled offline, now's a great time to show those to us. We're going to look at the different aspects of your space, whether we can add to or take away from, or move walls, or what we can do to make the space a better space for you and your family. And we may bring some samples with us so that you can take a look at those while we're measuring up the kitchen. We're going to finish measuring up, gather all that information together, and we're going to take that back to our showroom, to our designers, and start developing a plan. During this initial visit, we welcome all questions and comments. We'd love to see what your vision is. We'll combine your vision with our expertise and create your new dream kitchen. Our next step is we're going to invite you into our showroom so we can sit down, look through all the different product selections, and start finalizing the design. Now we have an exciting start to your new project. We truly believe the kitchen is the heart of the home, and through remodeling your kitchen, you'll be able to create lasting memories with your friends and family.